All right, what's up, everybody? If you're tuning into the stream here, then oh hey, Kelcoin, I just saw you here. Um, I just started streaming on YouTube. If anyone is listening on YouTube, I'm just gonna be streaming some setup work for the token minter bounty. And because I think it'll be helpful to just show people what my thought process is like. Um, oh yeah, I'm reading in the chat here. So when floats blocked, yeah, maybe they'll let me know if they have it in pipeline. Who knows? I'll give it a shot. Oh, you told, yeah. Oh, you're actually in this chat. Welcome. Saw Jivs Crypto. Sorry if I mispronounced that, but yeah, that'd be great actually. We actually asked Blockto about that, but I don't know. They seem to be pretty slow. I think it's because if you can hear me, I think it's because the Blockto team makes you pay up front if they want if like the team wants to get their NFTs in Blockto quickly, and we didn't pay for it because like I just am not for that, but maybe that's why they're taking so long. But anyway, yeah, so I'm just gonna be streaming some of the setup work I'm gonna be doing for this bounty. So I kind of want to get a music bot in here. Yeah, it is lame of them, I know. All right. So FT contract. So what I've done right now is token minter. Yep, I'm recording. Yeah, so I'm gonna be recording on YouTube, Calcoin. I'm actually streaming right now. Actually, why don't I just post a link in there if people want to just watch? Maybe that'll be helpful. All right. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, so for anyone that's watching on the YouTube, I'm just I basically just downloaded Andrea's basic FCL Svelte quick start. So I actually pulled that up right now. So I just downloaded Andrea's FCL Svelte quick start, and I'm doing this all in Svelte. And I'm gonna start configuring some of the cadence code for our bounty. So if anyone's curious on YouTube what this bounty is for, we're basically making a platform where users can go in and configure their own NFT collections, which means that each user is going to have to deploy their own contract with like configurability options. So we'll allow them to select like only the owner can mint, or anyone can mint, or it costs X amount, or it's called Jacob token, right? So there's going to be a lot of options for us to select. Okay. And yeah, so I'm just gonna be sort of sitting here in silence, listening to music. And if anyone, maybe streaming this will be helpful. Okay. So yeah, I'll leave it at that. Um, so one of the first things I'm gonna do actually is I'm gonna start configuring the contracts. So I'm gonna take the example NFT contract from GitHub. Um, yeah. Because we're gonna use this as like a base contract to configure stuff. Meaning we're gonna basically take this example NFT and we're gonna add our own options to it. But yeah, in order to do that, we need these two as well. All right, so there is our three contracts we're gonna be using. Pretty much just these three. And in my flow.json, I'm just gonna configure these. So we have example NFT at / source flow cadence NFT.cdc, and we have two more. Use, and this is all right. So that should be configured, and now I think it doesn't work right now. But if I relaunch VS Code, I'm gonna get some syntax highlighting, which is pretty great. I configured my flow.json now, so hopefully, if everything goes well, I should get some syntax highlighting. The cadence server should start. Yep. So now if I like change something exactly, so now it's like breaking, right? So let's see. Okay, good. So we're all good. What are some things I want to change about this? Well, we don't want to. Okay, so some basic stuff. Yes, we need a total supply. We need these two. One thing I always do is change this to self.uuid and don't pass in an ID because that is never a good idea. I don't know why the float team encourages that, but we're going to get rid of that. The reason I do that is because self.uuid is always unique for every single resource on the blockchain, so it doesn't make sense to pass in an ID, but rather to make this a unique ID. So, yep. I'm also going to add the idea of a serial, hublet serial, just for now. And we're going to have this be here. 4. We'll say self.serial equals serial. Also, for anyone that knows me, I always prefix my init variables with a little underscore. Because I like to. Okay, and we're going to change some of these as well. The thumbnail, we can keep a thumbnail, I guess. Name, description are both important. Access self, royalties. Do we want royalties? We're going to get rid of royalties for now, because I don't want to support that just yet. We will just support display. We're not going to support royalties just yet. And this is totally fine. Yeah, okay. Wait, did they change that? What is... Oh, they added some stuff here. Interesting. Oh, this imports from fungible token. Huh, that's very weird. So we'll have to import fungible token.cdc as well. Means I have to go get it now. But why isn't it in this repo? That's weird. Oh, here it is. Okay, that's why. So fungible token. We'll add that in. Boom. Fine. And so if this should work now, but I have to add this to my JSON as well. So let's add this. And just get rid of the non part. All right, so that's interesting that this. So what did they add? So display is still here. That's good. This is a file, right? Yeah. Okay. So why aren't they using file? Oh, they are. Oh, IPFS file. So we're gonna actually use IPFS file, not the other one. So we're gonna use IPFS file. And we're going to do. You pass in what, a CID, right? Yeah. Okay, so the CID is going to be self.thumbnail. What's wrong? Oh, and the next one, the path is just going to be nil. Right? Okay. Now here, we need to pass in a serial. So the serial will be example nft.total supply. So I like that a lot better than making that the ID. It makes more intuitive sense. I need to also pass in, of course, the underscores because I like doing that. And let's see otherwise. Okay, so set the total supply to 0. Okay. Collection path. I don't like these being lowercase. Always really bothers me. Minter. That's fine. Oh, this is really interesting. Oh, no, that's fine. Okay. I was going to say these would have to be unique for every single collection on Flow, but it's fine for them to be this, so that's fine. Oh, what's up, Jimbo? Good to have you here. I'm sort of
just I'm a fly on the wall. Just going to do a lot of work myself, so I'm just listening.
Oh, I love that. Yeah. I'm just getting started on the bounty that we took up, so just figured I'd live stream it just to let people get into my head a little bit.
That's rad.
Yeah, so okay, so this is yeah, I was gonna say this has to be unique for every single storage path on Flow, but it doesn't because it's typed based on this contract, so that's fine. Create the collection. I don't know if I like saving it to this account. I don't like doing that actually. That doesn't make sense. It depends. For now, I'm not gonna do this. I just want the deployer to have minting capabilities, not actually we'll give them a collection. That's fine. Yeah, but this is a mistake. Why does the flow team do this? They don't add. Wait, that's a mistake. Okay, they do this wrong. So they don't expose metadata views.resolver collection, which is not good. And they still use borrow example NFT, which also doesn't make sense if you use metadata. So we're gonna get rid of that. They're gonna have to fix this in the repo. but they're probably hesitant to do that because they don't want to fully embrace the standard. So we're going to get rid of that. We're also going to get rid of this. Okay, we'll keep that there. And we're going to add metadata views dot resolver collection. That way we can loop through storage paths when the storage API comes out. Yeah, if you want to know more about that, I would definitely watch the video with me and Bjartek. Okay. So this is fine. Create the minter. Contract initialized. All right, cool. Everything's fine. Change this to 1. That's old. Everything else seems to be fine. So we're not going to do royalties for now. Don't want to support that just yet. I don't see a reason to do that. So we're going to get rid of that. Okay. So with that being said, this is a base NFT contract that every single one will implement. So what this means is, I don't like doing this either. I don't like this syntax. I'm going to do self.ownedNFTs and force move it in because this is no longer a problem if you use UUID. So we can get rid of that comment. Okay. That's fine with me. Also, probably, we'll leave that there for now. Okay. So this is fine. This is the contract that we're going to be using for every single base NFT. So what this means is that when a user is configuring their NFT contract, this is going to be the base contract. So every addition that we add will be added on top of this one, which is pretty cool. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, so one thing I definitely don't like, I don't like this syntax because this allows you to deposit into anyone's collection. And I don't like that, but I think we'll keep that there for now. Because there is a chance that we want people to be able to deposit into other types of collections, so we'll keep that there. Total supply and what updates. Okay, so this I do not like at all. I don't like that they do this. They put the exam in the mint function, even though it's technically the same. You can definitely risk losing track of your total supply. It makes much more sense to put the incrementing the total supply inside the NFT init function itself, because there's a case where when someone updates the contract, they could add a new create function for the NFT and forget to update the total supply. So definitely makes more intuitive sense to put that here instead. Okay, so with that being said, what other this is fine. We'll keep display for now. I think Bjartek is fine with that. Yeah, there's no reason to really implement the other things right now. Okay, cool. They added royalty. That's really interesting. Media. License.
Wait, are you streaming live?
Oh yeah, what's up, EZ? I'm streaming on YouTube and here, just me walking through like the initial bounty process.
Oh, wait, are we recording?
Yes, yeah, I'm recording on YouTube. Oh no! You can talk all you want. It's more of just like a collaborative like working session to like get people into my mind.
Oh yeah, did you end up finding out like regarding the royalties? Like, is it possible for for the user to just like link the capability after the NFT have been minted, or do they have to have like the capability for royalties linked already?
You mean these royalties in the metadata views?
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. So here you can see like like if you go to the struct royalty, it a little bit down.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one. So we want like the field receiver.
Mm-hmm.
It needs a capability there.
Yeah.
But that capability, can it be? It says this will allow users to update the capability in the future. But I don't know, like, do they have to create it? Like,
Well, yeah, they would have to create it up front because you passed it in right
Oh.
here.
Okay. So
so-
they're not able to.
So it would have to exist, but the thing is that so the way the capabilities work is this capability technically doesn't have to exist when it's passed in here. This capability could, like, when you in your code, when you type get capability and you get a capability type, it could be nil. So what I could do is if you have not linked to this yet, I could get a capability to your thing, pass you in as the recipient, and then at a later point you could actually create that capability and it would work here when it does
Okay.
self.borrow. Yeah.
Okay, that's pretty good. That's actually what I wanted to hear.
Yeah.
Um,
Yeah.
awesome.
Because capabilities, yeah, you can move them around even if they don't exist. And the
Yeah,
user can configure them anytime they want. Yeah.
yeah. That's what's important actually, because otherwise, yeah, it wouldn't really make sense. Like you really had to mint the NFT beforehand or after the capability have been made and stuff like that. Yeah,
Exactly. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
awesome.
All right, so yeah, this is fine. Yeah, okay, so this is pretty much like the base contract that's going to be used for every single contract now. So the only thing now is to sort of brainstorm like what kind of additions we would want to add on to this. Um and one thing I want to test out is sort of coding this on a front end to see what that would look like. Oh, I haven't started this yet. So just like in, what is it here? They allow you to basically configure your own, well, you can't touch this part, but they allow you to configure your own token right here. I'm going to try and do that using this code. Now, I'm pretty sure what they're using is something called, what is it? Is it called Prism.js? Yeah, it's Prism.js, which is basically allows you to have syntax highlighting on a web page like they do here. So I'm going to try and do that. Now, they don't support Cadence, obviously, because Cadence is so new. I mean, even GitHub just barely put it on there. But we'll probably use Swift, because Cadence takes after Swift. So we'll put that in there. Okay. So now I just have to be the classic developer that sits here for 5 hours trying to figure out their trash docs. So let's go ahead and do that. See, this is an example of how you do not do docs, because no developer is going to read that. But the good thing about Svelte is that Svelte is pure HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So it behaves a lot like what they're talking about. So in this index file, I'm just going to link. Oh, I have to install something, don't I? Yeah, I definitely do. There's no way it would just work like that. Come on. Samples, whatever. You download it in your page? Why is it downloaded? Why? Can you just npm install it? Yeah, okay, that's what I thought. Thank God. Okay. So npm install prism.js, and you can import it here, right? Yeah. Oh, nice. Okay. This returns a highlighted HTML string. Interesting. Okay, so theoretically, we should be able to say import prism from, what's it called? Prism.js. This theoretically should work. And then let's just, I don't know, let's just try it. Okay. So this will highlight in JavaScript, and then I guess, like, theoretically, we could just put HTML here and see what happens. Okay, didn't work too well. Interesting. Oh, I think it's because I have to put this between pre-tags, right? And then code. Let's see what happens. Maybe. Closer. Load languages, the code snippet. How do you actually use this, though? Hmm. Language. There's just a class. That's right. Oh. Okay. Hmm, gonna work. Yeah, I didn't think so. Interesting. Oh, well, that's not gonna work with Svelte. Yeah, it's not gonna work with Svelte. Um, hmm. That's a lot. Look. Oh, okay. Interesting. Uh, no. Something's not right here. Oh, how do I get that to Oh, there's some way to do this in Svelte. There's some way to do this in Svelte. Render HTML? Yes, right here. I think it's... Yeah, that's what I thought. HTML? Hmm, closer.
I was going to say that, yeah, this is why you don't use Svelte and you just go with React.
Well, I mean, the truth is that this is like... This isn't Svelte, really. There's something else I'm doing wrong. I just haven't really used Prism before. It's... Okay, I'll just download it and see what happens. Yeah, this is fine. Um, the file sizes displayed refer to none. But what do they? How do they not have docs? So confused how they just don't have documentation. Um, bar. It might be Pico CSS actually. That's the culprit. It might be this. No. What happens if I do this? The heck? Ah. Nope. I'll try and put this in between. Kind of. Anything is easier. Okay. To make it easier to communicate with only latest things you need, use the Valve plugin. This will use the Um, no. Dogs are terrible. Oh, so they actually do encourage that. Okay. Yeah, it's probably smarter to do this way. Okay. I will do it that way. Fine. Fine, fine. So download. We want JavaScript. We want Swift. Yes. Liquidity. Yes. And there's no cadence. Okay. So we'll do that. Download the JS layer and download the. Bring those both into our app. That. Okay. And then in our thingy here, oh shit. We can include that. So theoretically, inside of here, instead of we could link it. Doesn't like it. Uh, belt. Hmm. Um, to layout. Have to. Oh, here we go. Boom, right there. Okay. And then we have to add the script tag, I guess. Oh well, this first of all, I have to make sure this is right. Yep. Okay. Then I think this could like go here or something. Happens. HTML is not defined, and yep, that's because this doesn't work anymore. Like, do that. Not highlighted. Okay. Um, maybe because this. That, why? I mean, maybe what I could do is add this over. Wait a minute. Getting overwritten. Erase it. Maybe in the body tag. Getting overwritten. Okay, why is it doing that? Oh, libloader. Interesting. Repository. Go to. Okay. So source, lib components, libloader. Here we go. Boom. Add this to library. Lib. Okay. Why is it giving me this error? What? Okay, well, I don't know. Maybe this is wrong. So we don't need this, that's for sure. But what we do need to do is go back to, I think it's in roots create. I use this libloader. Okay, here we go. Script. Port the libloader from library components libloader.svelte, and then I think I actually use it right here. Now the only difference is that this should just be prism. Yes, it worked. Yay! So we have code highlighting now. That's so awesome. Okay, perfect. That is perfect. That is so awesome. Okay, cool. So thank you to Andrea for developing that libloader. God. Oh, nice. W Falcon. Oh, this is awesome. Okay. Oh, good. It looks like everyone wants to svelte it. Perfect. Oh, Cadence. Oh, wait a minute. Wait, are you in this call, W Falcon? Oh, you are. Okay. Oh, look at that. Interesting. You know what? Let's try out. Um, how did you? Oh my God! No way. So you had this script tag. Well, let's try it. Why not? Why not? So you included this script tag. So you did this, and then you basically had all of this inside the script tag. So we can import that like right here or something. Let's format that. And then you had this. Try it. Wow, look at you go. Okay. So I don't know why I went through all that pain because W Falcon is a freaking legend apparently. So great job to W Falcon. That is really cool. You're a beast. Nice. Look at that. The power of teamwork, am I right? Incredible. You love to see it. The libloader plus W Falcon coming in hot. Let's go. That's just amazing. So why don't we actually abstract this away though? Where does this actually get passed in? Code. Oh, right here. And then how does this get input into a thingy? Oh, got it. Okay, cool. So let's try and abstract this away. So inside of stores, we're going to have export const writable contract code just for now. And in here, we're going to put all this code like that. We'll even bring this like that. Okay, and then that way we can get rid of this and we can instead import contract code which if you don't know Svelte, you do using this $sign and then contract code. And it will auto import it for us. So I believe this should still work. Okay. Stores.js, maybe it needs. Is that why? No. Oh, actually, I think we should be able just to do lib, right? Is that how that works? Yeah, perfect. All right. So there we go. There it is on the web page. Perfect. So oh, Jimbo, I'm seeing that. Am I allowed to play it right now?
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, really? Okay, nice. Let's take a look. How can I open over here? Let's go. Yeah, let's do it. Thank you for community. I couldn't hear it. What did it say? Thank you for
Oh, it should be a video. I don't know if you can see it. It says "Thank you, Flow Community." It's Harley's Village.
Oh, really? Oh, my computer must
Yeah,
be
it's a
messing
dot
up.
move. I don't know. I don't know how it saved it like that, but I can also forward it to you on Twitter.
Oh, yes, please do. Oh, that makes me so happy. I didn't use
She's
pictures.
gonna put together a bunch of stuff and put it on YouTube for us.
Oh, that's amazing. I'm so happy. That's amazing. Also, no worries, W Falcon. This is a million times better, so love it. I absolutely love it. So I'm going to inside of library, I'm going to add a folder called like utilities. Or wait, what should I call it? What did I call it in float? Source lib components.
Cool. Don't interrupt yourself, but I reset the video work this time.
Oh, really? Oh, let's go. Oh, yeah. All right, let's take a look. Oh, I love this.
You see the banner in the background she made?
Oh my god. Wow.
Yeah, she had me on there, and I'm like, take me off. There's community utility outreach. Like that's what it is.
Oh, I absolutely love this. This is just amazing to see.
Yeah, so she took a bunch of pictures and video, and she's gonna make like a little collage, and put it on YouTube so we can push it out there.
Fantastic. I love it.
But I just want to send that to you first. Nobody's got that yet. I wanted because I appreciate, couldn't have done it without you, brother. Appreciate you.
Of course, yeah. And also, now that the floats are like done being like, I don't know if people are done claiming the Harley float yet, but we can call.
Yeah,
it
I was actually just gonna end it. I was gonna end it just because she's like overwhelmed. She said she has plenty, and she like, she's like, thank you so much. Like she's already telling me to pass more on to others.
Okay, perfect. So when you end it, just let me know, and I'll go ahead and forward all the royalty payment to you.
All right, thank you, brother. I appreciate you again.
Yeah, of course. All right. So now that we basically have this abstracted into a writable, we're gonna figure out probably a better way to do this. But anyway, so oh, you know what? Why don't we actually just, for the heck of it, let's actually just replace this with the actual contract that I wrote. So let's do that. Perfect. And then there's an error here though. Why is there an error? Oh, it's because they're using this in the code. Can't do that. Okay. So now that we have that in there, that's pretty sick. That way we actually have our contract displaying, or we should. Oh, it's failing to load now. What is failing to load? What? Index.y. Oh, is there still something wrong? Why did changing that ruin that? Oh, it didn't. Failed to load module. What did I do? Did I just add something? So confused. Did I just add something that broke it? How did I... What did I do that broke it? That's weird. Um, syntax. Let's call this like display contract.js. But why is it for SSR? Roots in well, I'm really confused why it's saying that. I don't know what I just changed. Was anyone watching when I did that? I swear I didn't change anything and it just randomly broke. Maybe it was something in here? That is absolutely bizarre. That's gotta be the weirdest thing ever. I didn't change anything and it just broke. Okay, well maybe I'll just try a different tab. What? Okay, I could not be more confused. So you did. Quite bizarre. Error when evaluating this failed to load. Oh my god. That's why. It's because it's supposed to be low. Wait, but then how is that working before? Wait. Wait a minute. What? This should be in Svelte config, right? You have to add source slash lib flow now. That has got to be the weirdest thing that's ever happened to me. It was working, and it um. Okay, you know. It again. Let's just try that. Unexpected option. Well, how are we doing? No, this is perfect, W Falcon. It's actually exactly what we need. I'm really glad you showed me that. It's exactly what we need. You're totally right. Oh, it's because wait, the flow module got moved outside of lib. Wait, wait a minute. Go back to Mutoni. A quick start. Course. No, it didn't. Um. So what we could do instead is just do dot slash flow slash doors. Um. This is really bizarre. God, I sometimes I hate coding. Anyone else? Seriously hate it. Um, maybe because this has to be window. How do we do it on the float side? Nib. No, it's not defined. Have to get it from.
Did you just add the utilities directory?
I did, yeah. So maybe this is causing issues. There's a good chance because it was totally fine before. Of course. Wait, I have to reset this. I'm seriously throwing a loop. I mean, the most bizarre thing is that it was literally working, and now it just won't. There's always a reason. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait. Oh, wait a minute. I think it might be because I think it might be because of this. We have to add a onloaded. And this function should say, like up here, we need to say like let key ready equals, and then this sets key ready true. And then we say like if something like that. Okay, not implemented undefined. Oh, that's very helpful. Thanks, Feet. Initially, I didn't really like coding nor watching anime, but after watching Jacob's videos, I code and watch anime every day. Yeah, I'm sure these are super entertaining. That part is I know Andrea would get this answer in like seconds.
And probably comment out that whole if statement as well.
Yeah, just to see if it's this, if it's like this.
Right.
I think it's breaking here. Well, first of all, let me just. I'm curious. Ah, wait a minute. So this should be okay. Good. At least we know that's working. So that's yeah. Okay. So at least we know that's working. Um. Maybe like. Strange too, because it won't even log. It's having problems loading the Yeah. Well, is it even load? Is it printing high? Oh my god. Wow. Okay. So that apparently works now. My god. So it's apparently working. All right. Holy crap. That was excruciating to say the least. Oh my god. Wow, that was excruciating pain. But I think we did it, which is huge. So let me add this to utilities and just pray it doesn't break like it did last time. And we'll just say like load sheet. This should still work, right? That work? Uh, I think you just use dot get. Um, it's not gonna work right away, but I think the reason for this is because this is I think it's oh man, what is it? Oh no. Uh Here it is. Boom. Why is it not rendering? Load Shiki. Okay, well, at least it gets it now. Document I get element. Um, well, we can do actually instead. Say we can just return code, I believe. And if we do that, um, then in here we can actually say uh, oh, well, kind of cool that it's getting that. Um, Probably because what is n dot split? Not even getting down here anymore. Oh wait. Oh my god, that's why. Okay, perfect. Perfect. That's super cool. So now it's actually put the whole contract in there. So sample NFT, take all of this and put this inside of the store. Oh. There we go. There is our NFT contract, lads.
Nice.
That is pretty cool. Thanks. But oh my god, it's crazy sometimes coding can just drive you nuts. But that's pretty cool. So the next part to experiment with is like how do we start injecting some information here, which is really interesting. Like I'm trying to think what does 721 have that SO? Actually I have it open over here. So they have name, right? So like for example, how do we make this that this is like I'm pretty sure I can just like do this, right? And just say like contract. How do I want to structure this? Refer to it in here. Like this would be interesting. Find. Probably because I need to have this in front. Oh, because it's a JS file. So I need to do the same thing. Import writable and get, and then just say get. Boom. See? Yes. Cool. So there's configurability right there. The contract name. What else? Supply, price, royalties. We'll do that later. This is all later. Multi-mint, minting, fire only. Full minting active. Okay. Oh, so these are parameters now. Oh, that's gonna be such a pain. Oh no. Because of how metadata works. Well, this is where this is gonna be really interesting because we're gonna have to talk to Bjartek a lot about this because we have a really interesting opportunity to completely expand the metadata standard here. Because imagine if like everyone on Flow uses this tool to create their NFTs, the metadata standard could be off the charts. That's one of my goals here. That's really why I wanted to get this bounty so we could get the metadata standard going. Okay. So this person has supply. What does that mean? I think it means max supply. I don't know why you would ever really have that, but I'm down to put that in if we want. So like, what is this called? Like max supply. So if we have a max supply, what we could do is say, that's actually interesting. Okay, so what we could do is like, if you have a max supply, then down here, for example, you can say something like, if, oh no, we can inject code here. We can say like, if example NFT.total supply. Oh, well, oh my god, this is also going to be weird because all of these are gonna have to be the contract name now. Interesting. Okay. But yeah, okay, that's gonna be interesting. Okay, so if example the total supply, oh wait, no, is greater than, oh my god. How do you do this? Oh, no, no, no. Well, cause okay, so we're gonna say if the max supply, then otherwise we'll say like if the max supply exists, then we want to say if max supply how do you, oh, hmm. Can I do this? Yes, I can. Oh, interesting. Oh, okay. Kind of funny how bad of a developer I am. Oh my god. Stumbling your way to success, right? Alright, so if yeah, let's see what happens. This is funny. Okay, so it's not here, right? But if we make this like 10, no, dang it. Oh, oh, okay. Oops. I wonder if there's a better way to do this, but we'll try this. There's got to be a better way to do this than constantly getting it, but we'll try this. Oh, oops. Get this. Max. On what did you run? Oh. Oh wow, look at that. That's cool. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Nice. There we go. Okay, so that's interesting. So we can add a max supply here to the NFT count. Cool. Now the only issue here is I don't know how to. There's got to be some better way. Does anyone have any experience with like updating like strings like this? Because right now I'm gonna have to constantly get this and then update it, but would be a better
Oh,
way.
so you mean like creating a input field and dynamically getting it from there?
Yeah, exactly. Because like right now, like I'm gonna have to like get the contract info in all of these variables, and I feel like that's like weird. But because like for example, at every single point where there's example NFT here, I have to replace it with this, like this, because that way, like in the code, it's gonna render like the contract name here, and then, like I'm constantly getting it. Is there a way to get it one time? Like, what happens if I say let? There's no way this works, but like, what happens if I do this? Oh, interesting. Wait, what? Thing is, I don't want to spend too much time with this because I know Andrea's gonna end up doing this anyway. Yeah, you can, Bam. But not that's in Svelte. This is a JS file, so it's different. So I know that I the thing is that I know for a fact that Andrea knows how to do this much better than I do, so I don't want to spend too much time on this. But um it is cool to kind of see this in action though. Like, because this is pretty much what like the front end's going to be like. I mean, the user's going to be configuring information, but we can even change this to like that. We can change this to info. This is, info dot name. Like literally everywhere where there's example NFT, we're gonna have to replace. That's a good point though. What do we want to call this one? Probably we probably want to call this just NFT collection public. Yeah, like this one too. This is gonna have to be info.name. We'll just call this like, yeah, like this also has to be ft.name. We'll call this like a generic one. So, um, like I'm gonna call this token. Usually, what I call that token, and then we'll call this one NFT. And that, I'm gonna call this one info.name. Yeah, this thing's get interesting too, where this has to be name all here. FT. Okay. The cool part now is that this literally is a custom contract. So hello world 10, right? Where else? Like, oh, these aren't though. Wait, it's the thing. NFT is not defined. Happened. Oh, info.name. Oh, I did something. You know what? For now, while I'm messing around with this, why don't I just do this? Okay, yeah, that's right. All right. Cool. Um. Wow. Yeah, it's actually so sad. Like how, like watching this is probably. I am sure no one's watching this, but like it's probably crazy how like just insanely boring this stuff is. Wait. Okay. Why is it not rendering? It like randomly. Yeah, it's only if it changed. The cool part is if I make this 0, like if it's non-existent, then that all goes away. So it's completely configurable. But like if I refresh the page for some reason, it just goes away. I don't know why. I think it's because of the way that I'm loading. Yeah, that's definitely why. Um, yeah, I kind of want to change. So instead of here, I want to return code instead, like this. Um, and then that way, right here, I'm gonna say onloaded. I'm gonna say onloaded. Gonna be asynchronous. Um, cons code equals await onloaded Shiki. And then I'm going to say here await um say const code equals null turn. That way, if code, if I can say no. Oh, because it's can't assign to a constant variable. Uh, um, kind of thing. First of all, I hate the way this is formatted. I hate that. Okay. So fetch. So const response await the fetch. Const response JSON equals done. I'm such a horrible coder. Oh my god. Wait. Then Um, yeah, so const response await, then get the JSON. Um, I have no idea what it is. Oh my god. Oh, well, kind of worked. Yay! Oh, but it's still that problem. Uh, why? It's already loaded, huh? Hmm. How about on mount? Freaking go. That is awesome. So on mount, we just do this. Charm. Works like a charm, lads. Nice. All right. I mean, that's exciting. That is really exciting indeed. Um, so we don't even have to do this, I don't think. Yeah. Oh well. Yeah, we actually can. Okay. Like that. And this is really exciting because now we can refresh the page all we want and it's still fine. Now, the tricky part is if I input something, will it update this? And I don't really want that. So with that being said, there's a price, royalties. I don't want to do that yet. A supply, I implemented that. Token URI, that's hard. Well, actually not. Because what we can do, actually, is inside example NFT, or rather, inside of, actually, yeah, inside of here. What we can do is add a URI if we, so what I mean by that is like, I'm pretty sure this just like changes. Oh, wait, what is this? Oh. Yeah, so the next step is going to be trying to figure out how to actually um yeah, like how to actually display these NFTs. Although to be honest, like we probably want each NFT collection to have its own like image. No, we're not gonna add that yet though. This is really cool though. I'm loving this. Okay, so we go back. Then what I probably want to do is like wrap this all in a div or something. Can I do that? Okay, perfect. And then what I want to do is add a class to this called right side. Gonna add a style here that says dot right side. Mission testing purposes. If W height left. Alright, so why can I not restrict the height? I can't restrict. I love the way it's highlighted there. I think it's really pretty. Really pretty. Yeah, just get like over. Oh wait. Oh my god, that's why. 40 VH and then I say overflow Y, right? Yeah. There we go. Boom. Nice. Okay. So someone will obviously have to style this up, but that's sort of the main takeaway for today. To have that there. So we do want to do like Actually, you know what? We'll do halfway down the screen, and then I'm gonna do like border bottom or border radius, like 20 pixels. Whole thing. Um, Actually, we'll move this off the top like 10 pixels, and we'll move this 40. Okay, but how do I get rid of the scroll bar? How to actually? Why am I trying to style things? Not even the styler. Okay, so that's cool. We have a little bit of a contract going on here. And I want to add some configuring things over here. All this left side. Okay, and this is just going to be a few inputs. How do you bind? Oh, bind value to this is the cool part that you can do in Svelte. Type equal text. You can actually bind the value to their or contract info dot name, so it automatically updates it. So theoretically, we have to update this, of course, to be // I think up to roots. Oh wait, up to roots. So I think if we do this, the cool part is that we can actually type in. Doesn't do it on the fly though. Oh, well, idiot. Here. But what if I just did it directly? No. Oh, you know what you can do? You can add a subscribe function. You can add a subscribe function thing. So what you can actually do is inside of float, I'm pretty sure Andrea has a subscribe function. Um something. Well, let me up. Okay. So how do I make that dynamic? How do I make that dynamic? Hmm. What's up, sweet? You're still here. How you doing? I'm slowly losing my mind. Coding in a nutshell. You know, the thing about coding, sweet, that's funny, is that when it's done and it's working, it's amazing, and when it's not working, it stinks. You know, that's how it goes. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it definitely takes a toll on you. You know, it's like after so long, just staring at a computer is just so difficult. I'll probably ask Andre about this tomorrow because I think he'll have a much better idea of how to tackle this sort of thing. Um, I really think so. Like one thing I'm thinking about is like, I just well maybe that's the problem. The reason I think we can't use this is because we have to reload it every single time. Whereas with the other one, I'm gonna switch back Prism.js because this will allow us to do it dynamically. So if I include what's the download link? Uh, I'm just gonna. Sometimes in coding, you gotta make sacrifices. Oh, I see. Okay. So I'm gonna change this back to Flash Prism. Yes. Get rid of all of this. Um, this simply do just say free code class, and in here going to load um contract code, and let's see, not a store without a subscribe method. Errors. Well, the reason for this is because get rid of turn. And this. Nope, it's okay. Why is that? Because this here. This info is not defined now. Contract code is not. Oh. Not read properties. Find reading name. Oh. Welp. Act. Wait, it worked for a second. What did I do? It's actually working. Oh. I'm gonna send this to Andrea, who can hopefully save my life, because I certainly can. All right. Oh, Kel going join and left. So sweet. What are you up to? Have you watched me do all this boring stuff? You're watching me? Oh my god, I'm so sorry. It must be so boring. Seriously, like I sometimes I lose track of time. I like forget I'm even coding because it just is like crazy. But the thing is that it's sometimes one of the things I've learned is that when you start to go down that rabbit hole and you can't figure out the solution, you ask for help because there's no point in suffering over it if I know like someone like Andrea, can do it, so I just asked him for help. So we'll see. See if he can swoop in and save the day. But what are you up to this weekend, sweet? Anything fun? Any more concerts? Doing an obstacle course. Wow, wait, really? Like, have you ever seen that show Wipeout? Is that what you where they they like go on the bouncy balls and start flying everywhere and they have to like go through an obstacle course? Maybe that's you. But that sounds fun. Oh, it's not like that. Dang it. What is it? What is it for? Just for fun? You doing it with friends, maybe? Okay, nice. Yeah, that's great. A friend wanted to do it. Oh, nice. Spartan. I've never heard of Spartan before. Spartan race and obstacle course. Oh, interesting. I kind of looked that up. Spartan race. Spartan race. Become unbreakable. Wait, you've done this? Wait, yeah, this looks intense, sweet. Oh my god. Were you were you dying out? Oh, hey Ashley. Yay, thanks for joining. Basically I've just been coding for 2 hours and it's super boring. It's literally just me sitting here coding. But great to have you, Ashley. I'm sort of taking a break for a sec because I was losing my head. Oh my god. Oh my god, my head hurts. So Ashley, what are you up to this weekend? Anything fun? I can't believe Sweet's doing an did Spartan race. That looks nuts. I want to do it though, really bad. I feel like I could give it a shot. I should. Yeah, I really want to now. I think I get a nice attempt. There's 3 versions. Is there like a really hard one? That's what I want. The hardest one. I don't know why I can't stop thinking of that show Wipeout now. I think Sweet. I think you should go on Wipeout and just start wiping out everywhere. I think that'd be really funny, actually. Okay, so you can create a store whose value is based on the value of one or more other stores. Building on our previous, we can create a store that drives the time the page has been open. So, oh, I think Ashley's still typing. Yeah, I'm curious to see what you're up to. Oh wait, I can't see the messages. Oh wait, no, I can. I can. Still typing. Um, B. What I can do. Um, from contract info. Just want to say hi real quick. Family time at my in-laws this weekend. Have a great night. Oh, have a great night, Ashley. Thanks for tuning in. Bye. Have a great time with your family. I see snowmobiles is here too. Um. It's working. It's working. Oh my god, it's working. Oh my god, it's working. Oh my god, Zero is a legend. And your emotional support suite was just incredible. Wow. Wait, how is Snowmobiles? How are you listening? If you're not in the voice channel. Oh, are you on YouTube? Maybe Snowmobiles on YouTube. Or maybe yeah, I don't know. Maybe this is delay. Is that why it hasn't responded? Maybe this is delay on YouTube. Oh, he's watching. Okay. On YouTube. Nice. Nice, Snowmobiles. I like that. Bringing the viewer count of the YouTube. That's the way to go. That's the way to go. Make the channel pop off. All right. Well, that's amazing. So that works now. That's really good. Um, but there's no highlighting, and this lib loader is. Yeah, I was going to do my. Oh, you were live. That's amazing. I mean, what better content, right? What better content than this? So what's really annoying is that if I do this, it does it. But if I refresh the page, it goes to which makes me think. Wait, what would happen if I did this? No different. So why? Why do you have to be so annoying? All right, let's try something. Function did. Actually, this let, and in here we just say maybe what we do is like if if I though. Oh, it's not loading it again. Wait, what? Okay, that's so bizarre. Um, and see how he's doing it. Well, what if we did this? What if we did document.get element by ID right side dot inner HTML equals no, because it's loading one. No, but it's not. I don't know. I'm gonna wait for Andrea to do this. I. Why does it flash like that? The good news is that this is and I guess I could add another input, right? For um so look at this, guys. Look how cool this is. So right now, if I make this null, wait, that didn't work. Wait, what? Is that not working? Wait, it's not. Oh, but yeah, if I do like, look at that. See, that option goes away. If this is null, it goes away. But if I put something there, it comes back, which is so cool. Like truly auto-generated cadence code. So I'm gonna put like null here, but I'm gonna make this actually. Can I do that? Is that possible? Nice. And then minimum actually, min is equal to 0. Then actually, I'm pretty sure I can just put 0 here. If I put 0, then it won't pop up. Yeah. But if I put like 1, we don't want it to put 0 though, because then it just will. Um, yeah, we don't want. Well, the minimum should be 1. This should start as a thing that it doesn't. It's not here. But then if I type in like 10, yeah. So that's really awesome. So you can type in it like a total supply count, or just have it be super dope. Um, super cool. And then other than that, like we have to configure metadata somehow, which is going to be so hard, but I don't know how to even. Um, we could configure a price to go into numbers. We can configure a price to make. So if I type in like, we can make this a fungible token dot. Oh, this is going to be difficult. Because what payment are they expecting here? We probably want to encourage flow token anyway. Right? Well, this only comes up if contract info dot payment, then we put flow token vault here. Well, no, we put payment this, otherwise null. Yeah, and then same thing for here. You pay 2. That's the thing. What is this? Price? Where does the price come into? How does that work in a theory? I literally have no idea, actually. Oh, okay. Wait, shoot. How does payment work? Oh, it gets sent into the contract? Okay, well, I don't really know how to do this, but I think, like, what would you do? He sent, I think. Yeah, just flow token. Um, Actually, I'm curious. It's an old contract. Yeah, it's such an old contract. Wow. What? It's Oh, and every account has flow slash publics. Well, this is actually perfect because here I can just let account or self that account not borrow. I borrow from self that account get capability. Actually, why don't I just do this? Yeah, okay. So get capability slash public slash flow to receiver borrow flow token dot Vault. How do they explain? Like that, and then borrowable. So flow token receiver. Okay. This is only okay. If payments are a thing, then deposit it to the person. Oh well, this is this let the recipient deposit. Right, deposit. Okay. So if it is paid, 100 payment, then we have and that way I can add a ah, cool. So that dynamically adds payments to the contract. Thick. tiny bit of spacing too. Okay. Cool, so we dynamically have payments now. That's pretty sick. That's tired. You guys have any plans for the weekend? Well, not really actually. One of my better friends is going home for the weekend for Easter because he's religious. And so yeah, so he's going home. So honestly, I think most of the weekend will probably just be spent like relaxing or doing this. um, Nothing too exciting, but sometimes it's like I'm actually really glad I don't really have that much to do because sometimes it's like super overwhelming. So just probably gonna sit around, go to the gym, good food. Although you know what I want to do tomorrow? Like go to I want to like just go to like a coffee shop or like a student center there. Um, just to like be out and about or something like that. But I also wish I was doing I also wish I was doing Spartan race. I also have to catch up on homework for school because I still have to do that. That's gonna be so crazy graduating. I'm gonna have so much more free time. It's gonna be insane. Okay, so I think that's it for me. I'm graduating in June. So June 12th, maybe? Yeah, June around there, June 12th. Really excited about that. All right, so I'm gonna push. Wait, how is this not? Hard to believe you in school on top of all this. Yeah, snowmobiles. Like, it's crazy. Also, I can't believe you're still here. Yeah, it's definitely a tough scene. Or, um, I mean, it's honestly been getting out of hand because between school, Emerald City, Decentology, which is my full time job, and Dapper Collectives, like it is a lot, but I love it. I mean, I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. Like I love being busy, so it's good. Me just playing House of Ashes with a friend, listening into Emerald Town Hall and relaxing, dude. That is awesome. That is just so awesome. What is House of Ashes? I've never played that before. I can't wait to see you during the town hall with snowmobiles. That's gonna be great that you're joining. Yeah, it is crazy. SWT, what have I ever asked you, I mean, I know like I know I've asked you like what your favorite anime is, but like do you have any updated opinions now that you've seen Tokyo Revengers? And what was the reason why you watched Jujutsu Kaisen? Did I ever show you guys that one of my first projects? I'll show you this. I haven't really showed anybody this except BZ. Actually, I wonder if BZ has showed you this feed. Um, but before I became a Web3 developer, this was one of my first like computer science projects. I made an anime list of all my favorite anime. So it's one of those games where you can play co-op across video game consoles, and your decisions. It's one of those games where you can play co-op across video game. Oh, and your decisions affect each other. Oh, got it. So is it like a board game but online? Like online, like Monopoly or something? But yeah, this is my anime list. So I just rated anime here. And BC uses this all the time. You know what he used to. Yeah. This one's my highest ranked of all time. It's just so amazing. This one made me cry like so many times. The story game usually has like 8 to 10 characters. Oh, nice. Okay, I see. Is that like a Dungeons and Dragons type of game, Snowmobiles? I've played that before. This was such a fire show, Code Geass. Oh my god. Death Note's so good. This okay, this one, you know what's interesting about this show is that I rated this an 8.5, but it's like this is a really good show. Yeah, I watched Bebop. Snowmobiles, you should check Dungeons and Dragons. You should. I mean, it's pretty intense. Like it's very intense because there's so much setup and so much role play and everything, but it's fun. Erase was amazing. Oh, RPG. Okay, yeah. Weathering with You was great. Oh, you rate Cowboy Bebop 10? Yeah. No, Cowboy Bebop. Thing about this show is that like this show is like extremely good. Like it's so well thought out, but some of the episodes are so bizarre that like I couldn't pay attention. You know what I mean? Like some of the episodes were so weird that I didn't even know what was going on. So I can't rate it a 10 even though the show's amazing. Like I fully recognize that this show is one of the best of all time. Like like I would say Cowboy Bebop is better than My Hero Academia, and I rated My Hero a 9. But I still have to give it an 8.5 because it some episodes I just was not into. Aiden Abyss was pretty good. Mushroom, what's oh yeah, like this for example. Like I was like, yeah, I was like, what the heck is this? You know what I mean? But like the last two episodes, oh my, with Vicious, oh my god. Also, this show's really good too. Have you guys ever seen this show? It's only 11 episodes long, and it's like really entertaining. And this guy's a legend. Yusuke. That's like my like gamer tag when I like playing video games is Huska, and it's because it's from this one. Yeah, they're like all super high. Yeah. And this is also 10 out of 10. This is my favorite. Like besides this is my favorite anime show, Tokyo Revengers. No, you this one it's only 11 episodes long and it's like really entertaining. I don't know why, it just is. But this one Tokyo Revengers is definitely my favorite ever. It's so good. Yeah, like you might not love it, SMB Sweet, but it's good. No. Sobios, no, it's not. This is not cowboy level, no. But that's the thing, like I rate this an 8.5 because I was so entertained by it. But this is not as good as Cowboy. It's not. It's not. You're not gonna like it as much. But this one, yes. Like this one's my favorite of all time for sure. This one, Tokyo Revengers, Jujutsu Kaisen. This one's a 9.75. This one just like, oh my god, is so good. Just so good. One of my lowest is Demon Slayer. I did not. This one for me should be like a 6. I didn't really like this one. It's the visuals are beautiful, but it's kind of weird. Vinland Saga is pretty good too, but it gets like progressively. I don't know. This one's really good too, Mushoku Tensei. JoJo, I just did not really like. I mean, I watched JoJo, and it was cool, but like it wasn't like I wasn't like wow, you know what I mean? And like, look, it's just like a weird vibe. I don't know. The first 2 seasons of JoJo were incredible, and then the third one was like awful. Like the one with Jotaro, I was like, what the heck is going on? Yeah, the story of Demon Slayer was like, just, I don't know. I didn't like it at all. I mean, I liked like the Big Brother thing, but other than that, no. This one was like these two are fire. Like I love these two, Joseph, and then I think Joe or no, it was Jonathan Joestar, Joseph Joestar, and then Jotaro. And then I got like halfway through this one, and I was like, all right, what are they doing? You know what I mean? This one's just funny. One Punch Man. This one was a movie. I didn't love it. It was pretty good though. This one, oh my god, I was crying for hours. I actually did a drawing of her. Wait, should I show you guys this? Did I ever show you my drawings, sweet? Wait, sweet, go on YouTube and I'll show you. I didn't show you my drawings? Oh wow. Go on YouTube, sweet. I actually have not shown this to anybody. Wait. They're not good, by the way. It's me. They're not I'm not like an artist, but all right, so I guess I haven't shown this to really I haven't really shown this to people except my family. But yeah, so keep in mind that I'm not an artist, and also this was like a year ago, okay? But so this is Levi. You even see it? Yeah, so this is Captain Levi that I drew. It's kind of shitty. It's kind of terrible lighting. Wait, hold on one sec. Wait. Hold on one sec. Wait. How about wait, actually wait, hold on one sec. Let me just enlarge my screen. Okay, wait, here we go. Ready? So this is yeah, that's Levi right there. Right? Yeah. Okay, so that's Levi. This one is so this was her. This is the one I did of her. It's not that good, right? But like it's not bad. This was Shoko. Can you see? It's probably gonna take a second, but that's her. She's my favorite. Great. And then the other one I did was what is it? I did Gojo. Oh man, I can totally see it when I think Angry at the Recruits. Yeah. No, she is very yeah, she's very cute. Okay, right? And then this is Gojo. Pretty good, right? With his headband. Yeah. So that's Gojo right there. Yeah, so those are the ones I did. They're not like amazing, but they're pretty good. Yeah. So sim for Gojo. You can sim for Gojo. I will sim for Joko. And Snowmobiles can sim for Lee. There we go. Yep. So not and also, by the way, these weren't like organic drawings. So I didn't just like sit down and just like randomly draw them. Like I had like a picture of them up on my screen. Like I didn't trace them, but like I was like looking at my computer. So it's not like I'm like a genius, but like it was like, they're pretty good. So that was when I was like super into like art, but I was like, I'm not like insane. So I just like, you know, I just got too busy. But yeah. Um you like it, Snowmobiles? Thanks. Thank you. That's great. Yeah, maybe it's not too bad. Okay, so here's the question of the hour. Um I should probably stop, right? Um and start drawing. Should I? Should I start drawing again? Should I draw your character, SWT? I would not be able to do that. It's hard. Got me excited. Oh, stop. Yeah, maybe. I mean, actually, I probably could. It wouldn't be like terribly hard. Um, yeah. Okay. Let's just. So not too bad for today. Right? We got some styles going. I mean, we're really just gonna need someone to style this up, to be honest. But most of this platform is gonna go into styling, which um, but yeah, we sort of have like the idea down, right? Not bad. Um, what I could start doing actually is start doing these guides. Yeah, because these guides might be helpful. Oh, I also realized that we claimed the first part of the bounty because we got it. So I can start giving out some cash. Um, Although I should probably not show this on screen. That is not apps. All right, congrats on completing milestone 1 of the bounty. His name is Zeke. Ooh, Attack on Titan. Um, cool. I do that right now. So, um, oh, I think about that. All right, well, if you two want to leave me, you totally can. I feel bad. Just keeping you around. And you're probably both tired or trying to enjoy your Friday. What time is it for you right now, snowmobiles? You're on West Coast, right? So what is it, like 10 p.m. for you? West Coast, yeah. I am writing this email to claim. Gonna hop off now. All right, totally fine. Thanks so much, snowmobiles, for keeping us company. I'll see you in the next one. Yep, see you at the town hall, snowmobiles. Bye bye. All right, this is Jacob Tucker from Emerald City. I am writing this email to claim a $750 worth of flow token. I'm writing this email to claim a $750 worth of flow token bounty for completing milestone 1. Okay. Um. Um. Counting milestone number. Um. The wallet address is the Emerald City Treasury. If only I was making billions of dollars. Am I right? Am I right or am I right? Okay. You mean you're not already? I wish I was. Sweet. All right, this is Jacob Tucker from Emerald City. I am writing this email to claim a blank worth of float token for completing milestone number 1 of the token Cliff's bounty. Information: my full name, Jacob Tucker. Address. Um. Okay. Contact information. Bounty name, Dapper Class token minter, milestone number 1. Well, um. Cool. Done. Sent. So I will be able to distribute some tokens to some wonderful people in this DAO. All right. So Um. A much easier way. To be honest. Um. Technically, some of this. Payment. I have condition. Format all the way. Oh, but wait a minute. This has to be a fix section. All right. I'm gonna end things there because I don't want to lose my mind. So